Let's draw this ball star in front of us. The dimensions are in millimeters, so we're gonna go in. There we go, metric, standard millimeter, and then we say create. Once we are here, we're gonna start with rectangles. So that is our first one. Okay. Here comes our second one. Then our third one. After that, we're gonna go for a circle. Then we're gonna go for this line here. Sorry. From there to there. We need to make sure that from there to there we have 3.1. Okay, and that's one they need to be 22.4. Good. From there today we need to have 5.2. Good. From there to there we need to have 4.1. All right, this one here need to be 4.5. Okay, this whole thing here need to be 5.2. Okay, this one need to be 10.4. Okay, then you're gonna come here, that point need to be here. There we go. Now this one here, from there to there we need to have 8.314. Okay, now that we have that one in place, the next thing that we need to do now is to draw this line here. Good. All right, and we need to make sure that this one here, sorry, that one there comes on the line. So if you have some trouble, what you need to do, take that one, make sure the distance between these two is 0, then you've won. That's it. So once you have that one, you're gonna go for this line here. Make sure that this line here is parallel to that one, or either of these other lines, these straight lines, horizontal ones. And the distance between this one and that one needs to be 3.8. 3.8. All right, now that you have all this in place, your drawing is done. Now I'll go on 3D model, click on revolve. You need to revolve this whole thing to become like this. Okay, so you come here, you click on that, you click there, you click there, you click there, and there. Now revolve against that. There we go. Okay, you need to smoothen that by putting, that should be a chamfer, sorry, escape, by putting a chamfer. Okay, a chamfer of 0.6. Enter. Now that you have that, what you're gonna do now is you go on origin there, you go for that drawing plane, this one, then you need a new drawing. So you come here, you choose that one, then you want it to go from there to there. Make sure that it goes there. All right. Okay, so now that you have that, you're gonna say done. You're going to go on extrude, 3D model, extrude. You're going to extrude that part, that one, this one, and come on, this one. Can you see that? That's one, and that's one. You're going to cut that part. You need to go through that one, so you go there, you put 100, 0, 0, so it's gonna go all the way through. Now you are cutting. So you say, okay, now it's done. The next thing that you want to do now is to smoothen here, there and there, by 0.2, or if you want, you can put 0.3. You say okay. So you need now to put threads here. So you click there, 3D model, you click now on threads. So by 18.5 millimeters, so from there to there, 18.5 millimeters here. Okay. So now your drawing is done. So this is your bolt stud. What you can do now, if you want, is to choose the material. So you're gonna come here, generic, you go there, you look for carbon steel. Where's carbon steel? Your steel. There you go. See, it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. So please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like. See you on the next video. So if you'd like to become a member of our channel, please click on the join button. Bye.